1438 Longest continuous subarray with absolute diff less than or equal to limit. This Java code finds the longest subarray where the difference between the maximum and minimum elements is at most limit. It uses a sliding window approach with 2 pointers, left and right, and a tree map to keep track of element frequencies. Explanation. The algorithm works as follows. 1. It expands the window by moving the right pointer. 2. It adds each new element to the tree map. 3. If the difference between the largest and smallest elements exceeds the limit, it shrinks the window from the left. 4. It updates the result with the current window size if it's larger. 5. It repeats this process until it reaches the end of the array. The final result is the length of the longest valid subarray. In summary, this Java code finds the length of the longest contiguous subarray in an integer array nums such that the absolute difference between the maximum and minimum elements in the subarray is less than or equal to a given limit. It uses a tree map to maintain the frequency of elements within the current window, adjusting the window size dynamically to ensure the condition on the absolute difference is met. The method returns the length of the longest valid subarray.